Happy Monday, everyone. This is Melissa Rogozinski with RPC Strategies. In today's Marketing Phoenix Growth video, I'm going to talk to you about our email campaign services. The goal of inbound marketing is to generate new targeted leads for the sales team to convert into customers. However, only 2% of inbound leads actually convert. For better control over lead conversion, incorporate outbound marketing with monthly email campaigns to stay in front of leads until they're ready to buy. At RPC Strategies, we'll help you develop and manage your email list, and we recommend cleaning them annually in order to reduce bounces and bad addresses. We'll also prepare a monthly email newsletter with 1 to 4 pieces of content, as we discussed in our demand generation video. And finally, we'll ensure that your email campaign tool is integrated with your CRM in order to track opens, clicks, and most importantly, subscriber scores, and other useful analytics for the sales team. As one of my colleagues so aptly describes, email campaigns are marketing's center of gravity. If you want to maximize the full conversion power of marketing's center of gravity, then these 3 steps will help you find that balance. Thanks for watching. Now, go fire up those sales.